How to wire and install electrical outlets. First is to shut off the circuit breaker that's supplying power to the wires for the outlet that I'm going to be wiring up. Use the voltage tester to make sure that the power is in fact off. Cut the needed wire for the outlet. Usually I do the length of the wire stripper so I can have some allowance just in case. Using a cutter, cut the Romex to expose those three wires. So we're going to use this duplex receptacle for the outlet since our wire is a 12 gauge wire for the 20 amps. So on the side here, this is the wire that you will need to connect to the to the screws. On the side, this is the brass for the hot wire. On the other side is the white screws for the neutral. On the bottom is the ground wire for the bare wire. We're going to measure the wire that we need to strip, and using a wire stripper you can strip this little wire right here to connect to the screws. White or neutral wire is going to the white or silver screw. The black or hot wire is going to the brass screw. Basic knowledge: white wire is going to the silver, black wire is going to the brass screws, and for the ground screw we're going to use a pigtail wiring since we can only connect one wire to the grounding screw. So this is how you do a pigtail wiring. So two ground wire or bare wire, and then the third one will be connected to the grounding screw. And then so this is the two neutral wires and two black or hot wires. Now that all the wires are connected, we can put back all the wires inside the electrical outlet box. And don't forget the outlet cover. And that's how you connect multiple outlets. And thanks for watching.